In the late 1890s, the world had a problem with coughs, and the main medicine for it was addictive. The German company Bayer believed they had a solution. A new, powerful, and supposedly non-addictive wonder drug. It was incredibly effective. They were so proud of their new creation, they named it after the German word heroisch, meaning heroish. That drug's name, heroin! For over a decade, you could walk into a pharmacy and buy Bayer's heroin cough syrup for your children, right? Over the counter. It's now remembered as one of the biggest blunders in medical history.